There's nothing better than a nice, quiet, relaxing, rainy Sunday morning. Just listening to the rain and the seagulls. Can you hear it? Good cup of coffee, cup of tea. Just some quiet time. No rushing around. Know where you need to be. Right. A little time to yourself. Recharge and refocus. I hope you all have that feeling of being able to find that peace within your day and within yourself. To not feel like you need to constantly be running around, constantly doing something. It's not easy to just learn how to be and how to breathe. I hope you will find that peace in your day today. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone.